everybody, welcome to the Skilled Trades College of Canada here in Mississauga. If you're seeing this, that means you have rolled to one of our fine courses. Let me show you around what you can expect to see on your first day. So this is our front entrance, but if you're a student, as you can tell by the sign, we ask that all students please come in via the side entrance where there's ample parking and a very easy access door. Let me show you. So this is the side entrance of the campus. You can see there's ample parking behind you where all our students can park. And the side entrance door is just this way along this beautiful salmon colored wall. Delicious salmon. So when you enter the school, please be assured that you know exactly what classroom you're supposed to go to. Because here at the Mississauga campus, we have 4 different classes you might be in. Let's go to number 1. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, which also doubles as the lab space. So even though they would never be together in the real world, all our labs are set up for both electrical and plumbing in each lab space. So no matter what task you have at hand, you can complete it. So here we have our front lab. As you can see, electrical students have been busy at work, creating some commercial labs. All the materials provided for, we always make sure we're stacked on wires, boxes, and all the devices you can eat your heart out on. So on your first day, please make sure you bring a writing utensil, something to write with, your calculator, safety boots, always a good idea to have. That's the only thing we don't provide as far as safety equipment. We will provide you with a hard hat and a vest, but please bring your own safety boots. Please ensure they have the green sticker with the CSA logo, and if you're an electrician, it's a good idea to have that Omega symbol on there as well, which looks like an orange horseshoe. So thank you for choosing the Skilled Trades College of Canada. I know I and the other instructors can't wait to have you in the class. We're really excited to have you here. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.